Traders and investors are waking up to big news for the Federal Reserve, but not necessarily big moves in the financial markets. Last night, President Trump posted on Truth Social a letter that basically said he will be firing Fed Governor Lisa Cook. Now, that led to an immediate sell-off in the US dollar and some rocky trading in stocks. But shortly thereafter, she responded saying that she's going to sue, that, and many people are saying that he does not have the right to fire her, to remove her. And so that has led to an immediate recovery in the US dollar and limited the losses in stocks. However, as walking and starting this New York trading session, it seems like stocks are still under pressure because investors are worried about what this means for the independence of the Federal Reserve. Because if Trump really had the authority and this was something the market really wanted, it would actually be positive for stocks, because it means that he would certainly be replacing her with a dovish member of the central bank that would push for more aggressive interest rate cuts. But stocks are lower because investors are worried about what it means for the independence of monetary policy and the Federal Reserve. The greenback had recovered its initial losses during the Asia and early European trading session, but now in the early New York session, it seems to be beginning to slide once again as traders, think about what this means for Fed policy and also for the confidence in U.S. assets. So overall, it seems like the markets are not thrilled about this news. They're worried about the implications for the dollar and for stocks on a downside basis, but we're not seeing big moves. We're not seeing big moves because they're still trying to see how all of this plays out. I'll try to keep you all updated. This is Kathy and Lien with BKTraders. Don't forget, today we've got a huge event happening tonight with 4 Wall Street veterans, all of us traded for banks on the trading floors, sharing our tips. I will be sharing how to turn some of these big stories into trading opportunities. Peter Tuchman, who's got 40 years experience trading on the New York Stock Exchange floor, is going to be talking about how they trade on the floor. David Green, who retired in his 30s, is going to be talking about his strategy for day trading in NASDAQ and indices. And Boris is going to share his scalping strategies. So please join us today. And the event is completely free, 8 p.m. tonight. Make sure you register. Link you'll find either in our bio or in our description. Have a great day.